Hi everyone, I'd like to take a minute and talk to you a little bit about the Pure Water Power Viper Waterfed Pole full carbon fiber gooseneck assembly. They are available in a 10-inch like you see here that comes standard on all Viper Waterfed poles. It's a distance between here and here is about 10 inches, and we have them available in 16-inch and 24-inch. And the benefit of that is occasionally you might run into a building where the windows are recessed more than the standard, 3 or 4 inches, and maybe even beyond the 10 inches that this gooseneck will give you. So there may be an obstruction like air conditioners or awnings, or maybe they're just recessed that far back where the traditional 10-inch reach is just not enough to get to the glass. So then having the bigger gooseneck will give you that ability to clean those windows. Now these gooseneck assemblies, when you buy a Viper pole, are just like this. They have a 3-foot length of 5/16 inch tubing, and they're equipped with a Euro threaded tip for connection to any Euro threaded water-fed pole brush. Now the benefit of the Viper gooseneck is it's a solid piece. There's no threaded attachment point. It actually gets inserted into the top of the water-fed pole, and what that does is it takes all the stress off of this joint. So if I take a Viper pole and just assume we hook that up to the line that's ran through the pole, and then you can see how it actually slides in about 5 to 6 inches, and then you just clamp this in place and to secure it. So because this is internal so far, it takes all of the stress off of this joint right here. Normally, most of your water-fed poles would come with this threaded end mounted into the top of the pole somewhere, and then a gooseneck would screw onto that. So what it does, it takes all of the stress off of that fitting, because that is the weak point on any water-fed pole. It's right here where the gooseneck assembly attaches to it. So because this is ran internally, it eliminates that. And this bend is actually reinforced, and it is a high quality carbon fiber, so it's even much stronger than your normal plastic ones you see out there. So a definite benefit with the Viper goosenecks. They're going to be much stronger, last a lot longer, and you're going to have no downtime. Now, when you purchase the Viper water-fed pole, it will come equipped with, just like you see it here, with the threaded end on there. If you were to buy an accessory of a different size, it would come just like you see here, and then you could take the line out of your existing gooseneck and run it through this one and put the tip in, and then you're good to go. They're extremely strong. I cannot even attempt to even break these things. I mean, they're just really durable, and again, it takes all of the stress, which is the biggest problem with 95% of the water-fed poles out there, and can't go wrong with a Viper gooseneck. Manufactured by Pure Water Power.